The city of Palm Bay invites you to celebrate Independence Day and 250 years of American freedom on Saturday, July 4th. Gather at the Eastern Florida State College Palm Bay campus from 5 to 9 p.m. for an evening of patriotic pride and family fun. Enjoy an incredible dog dance show by America's Got Talent star Amazing Veronica and captivating LED aerial flow arts by Hoops 321. Dance to South Florida's favorite, the Chemistry Band, and enjoy food trucks and a free kids zone featuring a foam pit. The celebration culminates with the Space Coast's biggest fireworks show at approximately 9:15 p.m.
This is the Palm Bear.